Property manager, welcome to the BuzzzTech platform. What's important to pay attention to from the very first month is to make sure that the number of cleaner entries matches the number of times you agreed upon in your cleaning contract with the cleaning company. It's important to check that if the cleaning company is required to enter once every hour, you actually see that a cleaner visited every restroom once an hour. The cleaner's visit is recorded by the cleaning staff pressing a button. By pressing here, he can see the calls that have been opened for him, and if there were no calls and he entered proactively to clean the restroom, he goes in, presses the BuzzzTech button, and he sees that the green light comes on, indicating that there were no previous calls, and he entered proactively to clean the restroom. But he marks for you that he was actually there, at what time, and at which location, and this way we can track and see that the restroom was indeed cleaned. In the second month, we want to make sure that you actually know how to ask the cleaning supervisor one question. And the question is this: how much time, the response time, does it take for the cleaning staff from the moment the touchpad is pressed until the moment the cleaning staff arrives, handles the call, and then presses the touchpad once when entering the restroom, kitchenette, or meeting room? Once this critical event or situation occurs, you will have a clear understanding of precisely how many minutes the supervisor should ideally be allocating to you. For example, is this occurring on average just once a day with a relatively swift 20-minute response time, or perhaps a more extended 50 minutes? Ultimately, we really want it to be consistently under 15 minutes. Starting from the second month, please ensure that the cleaning staff spend less than a quarter of an hour, less than 15 minutes on each call. This is the only thing you need to focus on. With the cleaning company, with the cleaning manager, with the cleaning supervisor, and indeed every time, every week, ask what was the average response time you achieved. Thank you very much and good luck.